Hello everyone, today is January 14th, 2023. Welcome to our channel purely focusing on chart technical analysis. Welcome to subscribe so you won't miss any of my new videos. In the past 2 days, Solana has rose sharply. Some people say that it is pump and dump again, but I say that this time it is not pump and dump. I will take a few minutes to check the chart of Solana with you together. Why do I say that? Okay, let's check the chart. Some people conspirationally believe that it is because of what Elon Musk tweeted that caused all the recent surges with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But rumors are rumors, and there's no way to tell the truth from the false. All we can do is to look at the chart trend, because no matter what the rumors say, it will eventually show up graphically. It has to do with the performance in terms of traded quantity or graphic structure. So looking at the chart technical analysis is the ultimate solution, right? Ultimate solution just by looking at our chart is our solution. So this is the chart on TradingView for SOL versus USD dollar. And this is a weekly chart. I've already drawn 5 waves from 260 down to $8. This is I drew already in my previous videos. And the rebound was up from $8 to right now the high was 24.7. It's not yet touched 25.8. So what will happen then? If you don't have it, or if you have it, what should you do? Just by looking at the weekly chart, we have to remember this is a 1 week chart. Every candlestick is 1 week, so the time frame is quite high. But by looking at the high time frames, it gives you an overall picture or overall direction. It tells you what will happen in the next month or next year even. So let's do our work, or let's do our homework by just do it. Let's do it like a military simulations. I have 3 scenarios to tell you what will happen in these 3 scenarios and what should you do if you see these 3 scenarios. The first scenario is if this trend is really strong like this. By looking at the trend, how to compare the strength by checking the MACD. You have to learn it how to check the MACD to know the trend. So if the trend is really strong, and don't chase the high or don't chase when the prices go up. You have to be patiently waiting for the pullback. Then the pullback has to be like this, really slowly, and it's like double check this price. It's double check this price, but not touch 14.8.4 like this, and then this is your entry point. And uptrend from there, this is our entry point, and this uptrend is our profit. So this is the first scenario. And what is the second scenario? The second scenario is if the trend come to 48.4 or close to that price, and the strength is getting slow or getting weak down here, and then here you should sell some of your positions if you already have. Here you should sell some of your positions, I repeat, not buy more, not waiting for it will break this 14.8. Do not gambling that. You should sell some of your position when it's close to 48 and waiting for another pullback from here. It will probably pull back down maybe to 25 or even double check the $8, the lower, like 2 bottoms. and this is your second entry point. So the first scenario is waiting for here, and second one is waiting for here. Sell here or short here, buy here, long here. So this is the second scenarios. What is the third scenario? The third scenario is when the uptrend, when this current uptrend below 25.8 is not into this box or trading platform, it's stop here. If some news or rumors come in, it could happen, right? We have to plan it. If it happens, it's not touched 25.8 and stopped here, you have to also sell your position here and waiting for the pullback. And then we'll double check $8 and you can buy it here, long it here. But if the pullback is really strong, like kind of this, then you cannot buy it. Just be careful the trend. You have to closely checking the trend strength. If it's really strong, you cannot buy it back. You have to wait. Like this, you cannot buy anything. You have to be patiently waiting for it's getting slow somewhere here, and then you can buy. So this is third scenarios I just introduced, and which kind of situation you should be waiting, and what the entry point you should be waiting for. So this is very clear. Okay, let's check the another frame, because by just looking at the weekly chart, it doesn't give us more signals. So let's zoom in to the day chart, and this is the day chart. And day chart, in my previous video, I have already studied together with you guys about this uptrend, and now it breaks 14.96 resistance level, and is definitely above it. So that's very good. Also, the MACD, you can see here, the MACD, the slow average line and the faster average line looks very positive here. Looks very positive for the if you long it. And also, I have this 120. I have this 120 average line. You can see here it was blocked by 120. If I use my drawing tool, it was blocked here a little bit below 120 average line, and here it didn't really go above 120. So this 120 average line is very important for supporting and resistance. Right now it's above 120, but it's not fully above it. So we have to monitor closely if it's really above 120 average line. Currently, 120 average line is at 21, around 21 price. So it has to be above 21. So be careful. If it's down to 21, then you have to be careful for your position. If it's down here, then let's monitor in the few days later. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. This is 1 hour chart. If you have had to see my previous videos, I have introduced these platforms in my previous videos. In my previous videos, the trend was up here. So I was saying that do not be careful what you wish for, and it did pull back because my theory tells me if you see two trading platforms, then be careful the pullback, and it did pull back. It did pull back from 17.5. It did pull back from 17.5 to this $15, and we used the Fibonacci measure tool, and it did pull back 50% even. So it did pull back, and I also mentioned that whenever you see two trading platforms, you should be reverse thinking, and it's based on the Chanlun theory. In Chanlun, I can draw it here. It's one uptrend. This is like a modeling. One uptrend, then you see a platform, one more uptrend, and second platform, and then another uptrend, and it's double check, and then it's finished. This is the one modeling like this. If whenever you see two boxes or trading platforms, it will finish it it will be finished very soon and go downtrend. So this is the theory, but it has the time frame, or it has the levels. This is the same level. This one has same level as this one. But if this level is bigger, what if this level is bigger and the first trading platform will be removed? It will be included in the inflow trend. So this becomes the first one, and it will go up, and up here it will make the second trading platform, and then probably will go one more up. So this is the change in this time frame in Solana. The first two become the inflow trend. So from here to here become the inflow trend. And here is the become from $15 to 17 become the first trading platform. So this will be removed, and this become the first one. The reason is that is by definition how long time and how much the structure is combined, and this one is bigger than the first two. That's why the third one becoming the first trading platform. If I'm not explain it very clearly, you can leave some comments on my under my channel, and I can try to redo it or do it next time in my new videos. It is a little bit hard to understand if you really don't know the theory, but this is the theory. But now this become the inside flow, and this is the outflows. So same like before, and you should not jump in now. You should waiting for the pullback, and using the Fibonacci to measure the pullbacks. It's easy. You see here now the pullback is touched the first supporting level 21.5. So and it did rebound a little bit, but I don't think it will stop here. It will go even deeper to maybe 20.6 or even 19.6. But we don't know. I mean, but by just looking at this, I don't think it's already finished the pullback. So be patient, waiting for the second supporting level or even the third one. After that, it will definitely go up one more time. Also, you have to be carefully check the strength. If the strength is really strong, then you can just hold your position. So if it breaks again, this upper level is 24.7. If it's a higher high, that means really good for the long positions. So just by looking at the strength, you have to carefully check the MACD down there and to measure if it will continue or it will stop there. So here it will make a second trading platform like here. So it's like copying the first inflow trend. So this is easy. So what the strategy is waiting for now in the short time frame, in the 1 hour frame, waiting for the pullback to, I would suggest to get in maybe 20.5 or 20. So close to 20, you could have long positions as long as it's not into this platform. So the upper level for this platform is 17.7, 16.7. So as long as it's not back to here, as long as it's not touched 16.7, as long as it's not into this, then it will definitely go up. So it depends on which level it will stop the pullback. But I don't know. I mean, I cannot predict any of the supporting. It's just the market. It's up to the market. It's up to the big institutions, up to the whales. So we small investors, we don't know. But we have to monitor it. We have to follow it when it will stop. So that's the strategy in the 1 hour chart. Be patiently waiting for the pullback. All right. I've introduced three strategies or three scenarios in the weekly chart. What if it go up to 48, or what if it's go close to the 48, or what if it's go under 25.8? What the response from these three scenarios, and I have showed you guys. And also I showed you what's in the 1 hour chart, what levels you should monitor by waiting for the pullback patiently. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching. And please comment or subscribe to my channel if you really like it. And that's all for today. Bye bye.